Okay, so we are back in the Golf. I've just finished putting everything together in the engine. It's ready for its first test fire, but I thought I'd chuck the scan tool on and see what happened. And man, did I upset this thing. So, engine control module, 9 fault codes. Normally this would be a major cause for concern if he had just driven in and said, hey, I've got an engine light. But I already knew about this and assumed that whilst we were cranking the engine and there was nothing plugged in, we caused the computer to freak out, and that's exactly what's happened. So every ignition coil has failed. Obviously they're unplugged. The turbocharger was unplugged. Everything's unplugged. It was running rich because nothing was operating properly, even though there was no fuel going in. So actually there was. The injectors were still working. So all of this makes perfect sense. No problem. I'm not at all concerned. So we're just going to clear out these codes, delete everything. And you know what? Just for good measure, I'll delete all the other stuff as well. Because it's very likely these are just carry-ons from all the other stuff. Or they could be background problems. We'll find out. Oh, there's one that's sticking around, but we'll worry about that one later. Now, we'll go for a first test fire. Legit first test fire. Oh, our lights have gone off. So there was a check engine light and an EPC light when he brought it in because the turbo was broken. So those being gone is a really, really good thing. Happy, beautiful, smooth, lovely. Oh, a little bit of a hiccup, but that's all right. We've got to go for a test drive, make sure it's all happy, and there's probably a bunch of smoke that's going to come out of the back. That's fine too. We'll just clear it all out, make sure it's all good, and get this back to the owner.